Hi, I'm Gaspar De Rosa and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to make a Funko Pop unboxing video. So for the whole, I think this quarter I've been chasing and being addicted to anything Scarlet Witch or Wanda Maximoff. So I bought this via Shopee. It's only a store in the Philippines, so this shop is Sideswipe. So it's my first time buying from this shop. So it's legit already. I see the comments there. So people buying it, they also sell legit Funko Pop. So this comes with a box protector and also a sorter box. So anyway, I will just put the website and the store in the link description below. So this is the 855 Avengers Endgame Wanda Maximoff. This is special edition. Why? Because I know Avengers Endgame have already been out in the cinemas a year, 2 years ago. So this is unique because at the back of the box you can see there's no other Funko Pop figures, only her. This very iconic pose during the fighting scene with Thanos. So this is a glows in the dark also serious because I think her eyes and chaos magic here, the base stand of the Funko Pop figure glows in the dark with the scarlet or red color. So since they already mentioned it that the condition of the box is 9 out of 10, so there's a slight damage here, there's a slight dent at top corner. So I'm not a Funko Pop box collector, so there's no problem with me. So anyway, thanks to Sideswipe. So let's open this Funko Pop and let's see what this figure is all about. Enjoy! Finally, I have my 855 Avengers Endgame Wanda Maximoff Special Edition Glows in the Dark Funko Pop. It's a special edition because Endgame already broadcast years ago, so this is quite unique. The back of the box, as I mentioned before, there's no other Funko Pop, but this figure stand and this figure comes in a figure stand with this chaos magic and her red eyes that glows in the dark, and this is quite a iconic pose because this is one of the one-on-one fight scene with Thanos. So Avengers Endgame, Wanda Maximoff has the same outfit with this Scarlet Witch Civil War. We all know she doesn't have a Funko Pop for the Infinity Wars, but I think they are just the same. But the difference here, because of her, I think the orange red hair, and this outfit, this Funko Pop figures has so much details compared to the Civil War Scarlet Witch 133. So as you can see in the background, I have my WandaVision, Avengers Endgame, Civil War, and the iconic 80 years Marvel Funko Pop, but I'm missing one Funko Pop of Wanda is the 828 from WandaVision, so I already ordered it. Coming next week. It's quite expensive nowadays because they don't ship back to the Philippines, so I don't know. So this is Wanda Maximoff 855 Funko Pop figure. So it comes with this figure stand, the Chaos Magic power here, as you can see. So the red hair, very nice, very well detailed. There's no bad bleeding in the paint job here. The figure is quite unique. Even so you can see the back, this Funko Pop, everything's so detailed. You can see the leather, the color scheme here, the boots, the pendant, and this corset, this jacket, the gloves is very perfect. So this is, I love this one because this is one of the great Funko Pop for Wanda Maximoff. So I hope you have this in your collection also. So can't wait to showcase my Scarlet Witch Wanda Maximoff Funko Pop collection. So I'm missing the 828. So thank you for watching this, guys, and have a nice day. Don't forget to click and like to subscribe my channel for more videos. So have a nice day. Gracias.